And today we're going to continue our series on locking your bike. If you remember in our previous video, over 2 million bikes are stolen every single year in the United States alone. And so what we have here today is an EBC U-Lock. One of the great things about this lock is that it's actually secured to your bike, as you can see right here. And we also have this white button here that you can lift up. This is where your key will go. You just unlock it. Okay. You push this red button here to release it, slide it forward, and then you can lock your bike in any way you want. On the wheel, it doesn't matter. So this is our EBC U-Lock that you can purchase from our accessories page. And again, it's always important to lock your bike. Even though you have the option of installing the anti-theft alarm system, we always recommend in locking your bicycles whenever you're away from them, when you're outside, when you're out shopping, at a restaurant. It doesn't matter. Bike thieves are everywhere, and you do not want to be another statistic. So again, happy ridings and safe travels.